I have Moto G6 Play, and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. From the following options, you need to hold down on power off. So let's keep holding on power off. Keep holding. Now you can release the screen. Let's just wait until the safe mode pops up. Excellent. As you can see, the safe mode is right here, so you can use it. Or you can also quit this mode by pressing the power key and by tapping restart, and let's just wait until the device boots into a normal mode. The safe mode can be really useful if you would like to check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And as you can see, you can easily enter and quit this mode. Excellent, now you can start using your phone. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.